You want cream na?
No!
Who has cream?
Me.
Oh,
No.
it's okay. I'm gonna put some more milk, okay? Lagay ko doon sa, ko sa trolley ko. Parang ulyap-ulyap pa sa sakit ba? Hindi lang talaga yung normal lang na sakit, as in masakit. Help Daddy Lisa?
Yeah.
Oh, you can give her a lot of kiss.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Look at my hair.
Show Tita Grandma.
I'm a ponytail.
Is it pretty?
Yeah.
You look pretty?
Oh, look.
Okay, take that downstairs. Now you fix na your bed na. Okay, Alisa, get down now. Let's go downstairs. Na, say good morning.
It had me touched 5 times?
6 times, I think.
Yeah.
Tight. Say good morning, Alisa. Da isa.
Okay.
Alina. Alina.
Yeah.
Say good morning.
Together, but they gonna get on the floor.
Fix your bed. Kay Alisa, she fix her bed as well. Alisa, let me see your bed. How fix your bed? Lisa, how fix your bed?
No.
You fix your bed?
Yeah. You fix my. You doing my fix my bed.
You didn't fix it. Oh, it's fixed already, see?
Okay.
You fix it. Well done.
Yeah.
But
Wait first. Wait. What's this one? Kylie, regularity. We forgot her choice. Bushman, passive, raven boys. I'm different off the thing. I flow for every day. Help me dump, it's like I talk and always had to overdose. Voice it does sound like a single girl. And he down, that's up, hey, get away, cause I help you.
luto ako ng sardinas, mga kachika. Hindi ko lang lagyan ng bawang. Lagyan ko lang yun ng sibuyas. Tapos ito, sardinas. Saka 3 udong. Napunta ko sa Philippines, hindi ako nagbili ng udong. Wala din naman silang udong doon. Ito, may udong pa kasi ako, kaya sardinas lang yung binili ko. So, lagyan ko ng kaunting toyo. Tapos, hindi ko na yan siya lalagyan ng asin. Alam mo, iba ang lasa nito, mga kachika. Alam ko. Di ko alam. Iba ang lasa ng sardinas sa tudong pag nandito sa ibang bansa. Hindi talaga siya kasing sarap ng nasa... Pag yung nasa Pinas tayo na yung parang malinamnam talaga yung pag magluto tayo ng ganito, no? Dito iba. Di ko alam kung bakit. Basta iba talaga siya, yung lasa. Hindi mo ma-feel yung Pinas na aroma. Ganun. You want cream na?
No!
cream.
Yes.
Oh,
No.
it's okay. I'm gonna put some more milk, okay?
I don't want cream.
It means you get to come here.
I put it here. For cream.
No cream.
You all the magic you need to know for your little test. Princess Ruby.
You don't want? Why you don't want cream?
No.
All right then, we start tomorrow. Now off you go. I have to prepare for your first lesson.
Thank you, Mr. Cedric.
Cedric. This is what we've been waiting for. I am going to brew a potion that will make me invisible. Then, while Sophie is busy telling me, I'll pour the invisibility potion on myself and disappear. I'll be able to swallow it without even knowing it. Once the amulet
I want a ruby.
I can use its power to
Ruby.
I'll be the If you could only see me now. Why do you think we came?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's good. Very good.
Yeah, let's have only one circus. Only one.
Yeah, only one, and then they have 3 shows. 11,
This one.
1, and 4, I think.
The circus not ready yet.
No, not yet.
What time?
11.
11.
Yeah, the shortcut. Yung mga bata nagtatanong, Alisa, sabi niya, why we going this way?
Minutes. Huh?
Iba kasi yung, dinaanan namin yan before, kaso nasa school sila, kaya si Alisa nagtataka, bakit yan dito kami dumaan.
Yeah, 6 minutes.
6 minutes from the house to get here.
Oh. 6
We
minutes.
made it. We made it. We made it. We made it. We made it. Nagulat ako kasi pumunta dito yung assistant manager, hinihiram niya yung yung vacuum ko, mga kachika ba. Tapos pahinga lang ako, sakit kayo yung ulo ko, parang mabibiak pa dito talaga, ang sakit. Tinanggal ko na yung headband, naka-headband ako kanina, nandun nilagay ko doon sa ko sa trolley ko. Parang ulyap pa sa sakit ba. Hindi lang talaga yung normal lang na sakit, as in masakit talaga. Na parang yung mata ko na pipikit. Meron pa akong 3 rooms. Kasi 10. Hanggang 3 o'clock. So, na 1:30 na pala. So, okay naman, kaya pa. Pero, yung ulo kong ang sakit. Wala pa naman akong inumin ba. O yung paracetamol, ganun. Ang sakit talaga. Kanina pa to. Ang sakit. Nilalala ko lang. Akala ko parang yung dito nga, naka-headband ako. Tinanggal ko na yung headband, lalo man tuloy sumakit. Buong ulo ko talaga. Wow, they got face painting mga kachika.
My friends now.
Who's friend?
Summer.
Summer.
Not my class, different class.
Different class, but okay, but she's your friend.
Yeah, one is my friend. And
Different class.
Like that's and she do
It's
like
in the
that. Oh my
playground.
god, it's like that.
Alright.
Okay, here.
That's okay. Okay. Carrot! Yeah!
You look good on you. Your face painting on Alisa as well. What is that? Yours? Unicorn?
No,
Flamingo, isn't it?
Flamingo?
yeah, it is.
How about you na? What's that na?
Oh, this.
It's like amihan.
Look.
Wow. Do you like it? How much is it?
Mama, what's that mean here, huh?
Amihan.
What you say?
Amihan.
What
5
is
each.
5 each.
Can I
Expensive
look
day.
now? I want to see
No.
now.
Alina.
what colour is amihan?
Amihan, it's like Amihan, I don't know how to explain it, and my brain is not working.
Okay, get out now. Come on. Brain?
What colour is it?
I got a little bit,
What colour
only
is
small. Unlike you, that you're boasting about you got brain, but it's not working. So
it? I know how to do braid now.
that's big. Ha ha ha. That one.
I braided Lisa's hair.
You're waiting outside. What's that jacket? Pick up the jacket, please.
Also, Lisa's putting. Ow, my back!
Oh.
Oh, my back! Is this scary?
Maghugas na ako ng kamay. Sakit talaga ng ulo ko.
Scary looking.
Medyo na wala na to. Tapos bumalik na naman noong ngayon ba. Mag-inom muna ako din, kakain ako mga kachika. Nagutom ako kaya wala akong lunch. Ang na pala 3:19. Gamit talaga itong sakit na ito ng ulo ko. Naunsa mo pinasaway ha?
Alisa!
Sakit. Ibuprofen, puro man to ibuprofen meron kami. Wala pala kaming paracetamol. Naubos na yung paracetamol namin kasi si Mr. take ng paracetamol.
Yes, in a minute. Soon. Yeah, okay.
Headache. Pwede na lang pala ito sa headache. Ako ng dalawa.
Wet the seat again. The water, is this leaking?
No.
The seat's wet. Yeah, in a minute.
Hey, can you just please don't listen to her that she said that she wants it right away. No, it's not gonna work that way. She has to learn. I learn to wait.
Later. We'll go later. Take your shoes off, and then we'll go later.
If you're not going to stop, I'm gonna give you hunger. Sige. Sige ha. Give you hunger.
I got up most of the glass. Have a look. Use your eyes.
Where was it?
Down here.
And then,
I suppose I'm going to take them now. What time is it now? 20 past. Half an hour.
pumasok na yung dalawa, o tatlo pala, lumabas na sila mga kachika, nagpunta sa, naglaro nga. Siguro mga ano lang din naman. 25, 30 minutes. So yun, iniwan na yung socks kahapon yata yan. Bakit kami dito sa taas kaya magnap ako mga kachika. Nakakain na din ako. Yung mga bata pala kaya yan sila may face painting kasi may nanood lang yan sila kaya ng circus doon sa school nila kasi nga may work ako, so si Mr. yung kasama nila doon. So kaya nagpunta daw sila doon sa school mga mag-11 na, tapos mag-start daw yung yung pinabook ko. Ako yung nagpabook ng ng pinuntahan nilang circus, kaya ako yung nagpabook ng tag 7 pounds yung per head. Ganun. So, ayan. Hindi ako nakasama kasi nagpunta ako sa work. Tapos mayroon pala silang Vicks. face painting. Mas meron din down. What else did you have? They had face painting, and then what did you have there? What did you eat there?
But I don't know. But I just dropped the popcorn.
Oh, you dropped your popcorn?
Yeah.
Oh.
But I just told Daddy.
You did tell Daddy that you dropped your popcorn. And then what Daddy do?
I don't know.
Daddy buy another one.
Yeah.
Oh. Did you play with your friend? Okay.
I said Vanina.
Hmm?
I want to sit with my friends.
You sit with your friend?
Yeah.
Oh, Alina sit with her friend as well.
And she is just like that. Oh my God, like that.
Like that?
Yeah. The show is starting.
Oh.
No.
You like the show?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. That's good. Ano ba itong cellphone ko? Ah, ganyan. Inaantok talaga ako mga kachika. Sabi ko, akit ako dito kaya magnanap ako. For ano na nga, 4:30 na. Tapos sabi din naman niya, nasasama daw siya sa akin, magnap din daw siya.
Don't you remember this?
Medyo nagkalma na yung sakit ng ulo ko. Nakainom ako ng ibuprofen pala. Kailangan ko na lang itong itulog. So, may work ako bukas. Tapos kanina sabi ng head namin na if I'm able daw to work on Monday. Kasi kailangan nila ako sa Monday. So ano naman, 2.5 hours lang naman. Pero yan, okay lang din. Kasi ang tawag dyan, bank holiday. So may extra 1.5 hour yata yung pay sa amin pag bank holiday. Monday. Oh, sige, tara. Tara, lay down na. Oh, lay down. Yeah, lay down na. Let's go. Let's have a nap.
Look, my face paint.
Show them. What's that one? Is it
Flamingo.
flamingo? Alina, what she got?
There's a single leg.
What?
See.
A sea? Naghanap si Mr. Hindi niya alam kung ano yung kakainin niya. Kaya ito na-decide niya. Ano pa yung beef na leftover namin last night. Tapos mozzarella, garlic, basil, tomato. Wow. Looks good, Daddy.
You want some?
No.
Huh?
No, you have it. No, I don't want it.
We will never be friends again.
You're going to help Daddy?
What?
Are you going to help Daddy, Lisa?
Yeah.
Oh, you can give her a lot of kiss.
Like wet lips.
Oh, lie down. I was going to say sit down, not lie down.
Feels so cold.
I adjust it now. It's hotter now. Dito na pala yung height namin ni Alina, oh. Dito na siya sa aking...
Sophia, I think it's up here.
Dito na siya sa aking kilikili. Banda.
What's the what? What's the 1991?
1991. Sige na, go call Alisa there.
Lisa!
Okay, nakatulog tuloy ako mga kachika para tuloy nangihina ako. Kanina pa ako nagising, nakatulog ako ng mga 1 oras at kalahati din yung tulog ko mga kachika ba. And then, yeah, kumain kami. Tapos na kami kumain ako, mag-skincare na ako, nakapag-toothbrush na. Yung mga bata, toothbrushan ko na lang, pinaliguan ko muna. Si Mr. doon sa baba, naghuhugas na naman ng pinggan. Tapos, yan, sabi niya, matulog ka ng maaga. Don't mess around daw. Kasi may pasok nga ako bukas. Na-feel ko yung pagod ng katawan ko nung naka-idlip ako ba. Naka-idlip ako nakatulog ako mga kasika. Tapos, nagising na lang ako kasi naginip ako sa work. Na ano daw ako, na late daw. Naiwan na daw ako ng mga kasama ko. And yung tungkol ba sa trabaho ba. Tapos, Wait lang, may nag-message ha.